Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of my Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. As you can see, this does not fit in the frame, so I just wanted to show you guys that I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to take all the items out and then we'll get started in the, we'll get started with the unboxing. So here's one item to start with. That's fancy. And then here's our second item. This box is really big, and I hope I can show you guys this, but the quote on the inside says, be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. So very big box. I just got this today, the day I'm filming it, which is Saturday, I think today's the 9th. So let's go ahead and get started with, I guess, this thing that you guys can see off the bat. So let me look at my little card. So you get the little info card that shows you everything that's in here. So you get a sneak peek to the turquoise EC tumbler, and that's what this thing is. So some of the items on here are going to say sneak peeks. So there's only 2 items that are actually going to come to the store actually. Otherwise, the exclusive items means that it's only available in this box. And this theme of this box is Hello Sunshine. So let's get this opened. Oh, this is really cute. So it's an Erin Condren designer tumbler. That's what it says on the inside here. Let's get this little card out. It just says, not recommended for hot liquids, hand wash only. Not microwave safe, and do not freeze. So it's a 16-ounce tumbler with the Erin Condren logo on the front there. Really cute. I love that I love the color and the pink. So there's that first item. Now let's get back into the goodies over here. Ooh-wee. Oh, okay. So let's grab all this stuff and toss this to the side. So we'll start with these first set of items. Let's start with the colorful dual tip markers. So these are, these are also a sneak peek to the neon dual tip marker pack. So these are $8, and this tumbler was a $10 value, and these dual tip markers are a $8 value. And let's test these markers on camera. They are really bright. So let's see, they're dual tip too. So, got a little note back there for my printables. Oh, very bright. I like that. Oh, these are highlighters. They're so bright. So those are nice. I like those. Very bright. Probably something that I could use maybe in my note pages, maybe in my hourly, or in my colorful when I'm doing bills. All right, now, ooh, this is heavy. What's in here? So this is a sunglass. Oh my God, I cannot talk today. A sunglass case with a cleaning cloth. So it says Hello Sunshine, and it's nice and soft. And it kind of matches the tumbler too. So it says Hello Sunshine in that gold like foil, which is really pretty. And then, ooh, look at the inside. Has that pink, that bright pink inside, and it says Erin Condren right there on the inside. And an Erin Condren, what is this, mid-century circles pattern cleaning cloth. Well, I don't really wear sunglasses. I don't even think I own a pair of sunglasses, but I do wear glasses, so this cleaning cloth can be definitely used for, this whole case can be used for my eyeglasses. So very cute. I like that. That is really neat. And we got some hair ties. So this is another exclusive item to the box. These are $7 value. The sunglass case was a $15 value. Oh, this one's really cute. I don't wear my hair up in a ponytail too much, but I do typically if I'm filming or if I'm just around the house getting my hair out of my face. So those are cute. I like that. The mid-century circle one is really cute as well. I think these hair bands are actually safer for you too. It doesn't pull out your hair as much. And then here, this is a iridescent sticker sheet, and it's a 2-pack, which is a $6 value. Oh, I just noticed it has the tumbler. It has the tumbler in there that I just got. That's cute. And then back here is very colorful. I like these. This would be really cute to use in my hourly planner on one of those hot summer days. Let me try and get this open. Oops. These are really nice. All right, so these are like the hollow. They have that hollow little, I don't want to call it foil, but it's some holographic pattern on them, and they're just summer theme. Hello summer, good day, sunshine, cool, dare to dream. I really, really love that I have a miniature tumbler on there. And then we have, these are kind of like, ooh, I thought they were washi strips. Whoopsies. Let me put that back on. So these are just, oh, because the kiss cut is so like laser in there. Anyway, these are some stickers at the bottom, just say some of those encouraging words that are always included in Erin Condren stuff. We have some teardrops, some circles, appointment flags, checklists, and some larger flags. I like the color scheme. I already have a few rainbow kits for my hourly planner that kind of look similar to this. I think I already said this, but this is a $6 value, so this is also exclusive to the to this box. We have this is really cute. This pineapple notepad, which is also a $6 value. We always need more notepads in the house. This is really, really cute. They're huge. Pineapple is like one of my favorite fruits, so those are really cute. I think that too, when Erin Condren was kind of sneaking this box on her page, they kept giving clues about it, and I knew it was pineapple themed because they said some riddle. I asked my husband about it and was like, what do you think this is for? So that notepad, which is exclusive to the box, is a $6 value. And then last but not least, there is this Be a Pineapple, Stand Tall, Wear a Crown. And I'll see the rest of what it says. This is a Jot Your Thought notebook. It's a lined notebook. And this is a $9 value. Yes, it says Be a Pineapple, Stand Tall, Wear a Crown, and Be Sweet on the inside. So exactly what the inside of the box says. I like that this journal cover is smooth and the foil is really nice on there. It has a few scratches on it, but probably just in production. And then on the back, you have a bunch of little golden pineapples back there. So this is really cute. I have to figure out what to do with this because I have another notebook from one of the other launches that I have yet to use, but this is really cute. Maybe I could use this as a journal for the baby or anything, or maybe just notes around the house. Oh, really, really cute overall. I really like this box. Some very different items in here that are not so planner related, but that tumbler is to die for. I really like this. I'm using a Starbucks tumbler right now that I drink all of my water in so I can stay hydrated. So maybe I'll be able to transition to this. So I'm just showing you guys all of the items together. Is that everything? Did I throw anything out of the frame? I probably did, but this is the stickers, the highlighters. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. So the next box that will come out is probably going to be, they're seasonal, so more than likely in the fall. So if you guys like the kind of surprise that you got here today, you can go ahead and just look out on Erin Condren's Instagram and the website. And they also send out emails when these boxes come out. So it's also free shipping, which I like. And another incentive that they give you is that if you upload a YouTube video like this up by June 30th and use the hashtag ECSurpriseBox, you will be put in for a chance to win your next seasonal surprise box for free. So just to kind of give you guys a little bit of incentive to grab it and also maybe film an unboxing. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.